Okay, so I'm in open D tuning. And what I wanted to, the lesson for today is going to be about some Skip James licks. It's kind of inspired by Skip James, Robert Johnson's Hellhound. Just how to get that darker, minory sound in open D. Now I do play in open D minor too, and I do have a video on that. But I'm in open D, and usually in open D I'm playing something major. Or something. But sometimes we want a different feeling, a different mood. So I'm going to use a constant bass. I'm not going to muffle it though. And what I did for most of that was avoided the major third, because in open D minor, of course, or cross note tuning, this would be tuned to a standard tuning note, and then the guitar would sound in a D minor. Okay, so for the cover songs I do of some of Skip James' songs, I'm not tuned to open D minor. I'm tuned to open D. So I just wanted to show you this little progression to set more of a darker, minory sounding mood in open D as opposed to tuning to open D minor, which I do tune to it and love playing in that tuning, but today it's just about open D. So what I did was I started here. I was doing a constant bass. I'm on the 10th at the first string, 12th on the second string, holding that shape. And then I'm doing the bass. On and off the beat. Then I'm going here, which is the 9th on the first string, 10th on the second string. So I'm changing that shape to here. At the 5th fret on the second string and sliding it, and going into this D, this D7 chord, but keeping the high D string open. So I'm going. Because I tend to do that. So starting again, 12th fret with this shape, You can bend it a bit. And then you can use this note, your third, and then open and into that seventh. So the third string, third fret, this is still going. So I'm going off, I'm sliding it down. And then going to the fourth at the third. And then off. And all the while I'm letting everything ring out. But I just jumped ahead of myself because I hadn't done that part yet. So after this, part of the progression, I'm at the 7th fret, first string, 8th fret, 2nd string. Then I'm taking that shape down, and I'm at the 5th on the first string, 7th on the 2nd string. This time I'm not hitting any basses, I'm going, and then I'm going into this turnaround. And I'm doing it twice, and the next time I'm going, and then I'm doing it here, and I'm going to explain that, and then I'm going back. So what I'm doing is these turnarounds in the key of open D, you have this one, you have this one, you have this one. So I'm going to explain all three of them, even though I have done so multiple times in other videos, because this might be the first video of mine that you're ever watching. So you're on the 2nd, 3rd string at the 3rd fret. Everything's open. Open. Now, you can bar those strings. This time, instead of doing it this way, we're going to go like this, and we're going to put our ring finger here. You can do it like that. Okay? This one, you're at the 3rd fret, and you're on, your ring finger is on the 3rd string. Then you skip a string, you go to the 5th string with your middle finger, strum the whole thing. I did when I did that turnaround the first time I went. The second time I started it the same. Then I went to this one. And I finished it here. So you that's what I do. So after I did those two parts, then I was still doing my bass, and I went up to the 12th fret, and I'm sliding in the 12th fret. Then I go to the 10th, and the 5th fret on the first string. Start the whole thing over again. Just mix it all up. So next time I went here, that time I changed it, I went. Third fret, third string. Okay. So the first fret, third string, off. Fifth, fourth string, third fret, off. So I went. Also, when I just did this, you can also go. Okay. Instead of going, you can go. So instead of going, you can go off here and off there. All these notes you can play. But for the purpose of this video, we won't. But anyway, you can play in between here. Okay, so I'm going to start it again. This time I went. So slide here and slide here. Or like that. So you can slide in these areas. Okay. Then the third time I went through, I did it with a slide. So, to recap, because you have to get the positions first, and sometimes it takes a little bit of time. So you're doing this chord, this position, sliding up to here, going to the 7th. The next time you go down, you're starting it here. that time I just went through all, usually what I'll do when I'm playing this type of stuff is that I will do a turnaround after each time that I go through. The first time I'll do the turnaround twice. Then I'll go back to my next position where I start here. But the last time that I went through, I just went through all three, and I did the turnaround at the very end of the three. So you can do a turnaround at the end of each one, or you can do a turnaround at the end of all three of them. Anyway, mix it up. Anyway, until the next video, thanks for watching.